How to get a web browser for Vizio Smart TV. Now, in this video, I'll provide you additional information as to how or can you add web browser onto your Vizio Smart TV. So first things first, if we tackle specifically with the make and model of the Vizio Smart TV that you have, say the 43 inch, the 50, 55, or 65, everything here has the same features. Now, fortunately, this specific television here offers a lot of streaming applications, which is going to be the one that you'll see on your screen, like so. However, all of the make and models of Vizio Smart TV does not include a built-in web browser. So the very best solution that you can do here is to cast a streaming device or cast your mobile device for you to be able to use a web browser. If you're going to be using a streaming device, make sure that that specific streaming device has a built-in web browser so that there's no need for you to download a new one or from a third-party app. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to get a web browser on Vizio Smart TV.